There are multiple physical and mental benefits of yoga. Yoga has been practiced since ancient times in India as it helps in syncing mind and the body. The primary focus of this practice is to bring down the stress levels. It also helps you to get deep in meditation and other breathing exercise. In this video, we will discuss a few benefits of yoga and explain why it should be a part of your daily routine. Relieves anxiety. Various people are practicing yoga as a tool to deal with anxiety. Yoga focuses on people to bring them in present moment. It also lets you to get a sense of peace, and eventually it will help you to relieve the anxiety. Reduces chronic pains. If there is any issue that is common in majority of people, it's chronic pains. Multiple studies have shown that the aches can be treated by yoga. Numerous studies are on, but incorporating yoga in a daily life will show some drastic improvements for sure. Improving sleep quality. Having a daily yoga session will significantly improve your sleep quality. In a study of elderly group, the ones with the yoga routine found themselves to be able to sleep for a longer time. Better flexibility. People who do yoga continuously suggest that it has helped them to gain a lot of flexibility. Various studies are already present in the back of this claim. There are specific poses that help the body to achieve flexibility. For those who are looking to enhance flexibility, a daily 30-minute session is more than enough. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.